Hi everyone, I'm going to share a few things about photochemical reaction. Now we get into the topic. What is a photochemical reaction? Photochemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the chemical processes that are caused by the absorption of light energy. A photochemical reaction is a chemical reaction initiated by the absorption of energy in the form of light, resulting in specific products. Usually, molecules prefer to remain in the state of lowest energy, known as the ground state. When they are excited by photons, molecules absorb energy and goes into the transient state known as the excited state. In this state, the physical and chemical properties of the molecules are entirely different from that of the ground state. Photochemical reactions are driven by the number of photons that can activate molecules to cause the desired reaction. During a photochemical reaction, these molecules tend to form a new structure. They could combine with each other or with other molecules and transfer electrons, atoms, protons, or other excitation energy to the other molecules, thus causing a prolonged chemical chain reaction. The photochemical reaction can take place in solid, liquid, and gas. Here we have the types of photochemical reaction. Here are the types of photochemical reactions under. Now we can see an example of photochemical reaction. The example is photosynthesis. During photosynthesis process, the pigment chlorophyll in plants takes in the energy from the sun and the water to convert carbon dioxide into glucose and oxygen. Photosynthesis can also be carried in the presence of artificial light. The equation is expressed as 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus HV light gives 6C6H12O6 glucose plus 6O2. I also mentioned some of the examples for photochemical reaction. Now we move on to the importance of photochemical reaction. Photochemical reactions are of great importance for the support of life on Earth. Chemical changes taking place in the atmospheric gases of the Earth are initiated by solar radiation and modified by the suspended particles. The study of upper atmospheric photochemical reactions has significantly contributed to the knowledge of depletion of the ozone layer, acid rain, and global warming. Photochemical reactions have a particular advantage over other types of reactions. Photochemical reactions require sunlight, which is abundantly available. With the sun as its central figure, the origin of life itself must have been a photochemical process in the primitive earth conditions, as radiation from the sun as was the only source of energy. Simple gaseous molecules like methane, ammonia, and carbon dioxide must have reacted photochemically to synthesize complex organic molecules like proteins and nucleic acid through the ages. The photochemical process demonstrates perfect atom economy as the transformation is initiated by a photon rather than an extra reagent. Now, at last, I, I give an example of ozone depletion, that is, ozone formation in the upper atmosphere results from the action of sunlight on oxygen molecules. The equation is 3O2 plus HV light gives 2O3. Now we can see the photochemical reaction of ozone formation. These involves two steps: oxygen molecules plus ultraviolet rays from sun gives two oxygen atoms. That is step 1. And step 2, oxygen atom plus oxygen molecule gives ozone. Thank you.